guys, this is me, JB Rose, singing Vegan Mom. It's Christmas cake time. So guys, I've already weighed out all my ingredients, and remember a few weeks ago I soaked my fruit in ruby wine because that's what my mum does, but some people do rum. Some people soak their fruit in grape juice, and I've soaked mine in raisins. So in raisins I soaked mine in ruby wine. I'm going to weigh 2 pounds of this fruit, and I'm going to basically put it through the zhuzhi. I'm going to zhuzh it. This is mixed fruit, I think I mentioned, right? So it's got raisins and sultanas, but of course I'm going to do my thing with it and make it a little bit more special. But do me a favour, could you shut that living room door? They're just too loud, those guys. 1 girl, 4 boys. My 2 are in there. So look how lovely and blended that is. That's looking beautiful. And here I have 1 cup of vegan butter and half a cup of sugar. This is coconut sugar. Now the recipe does say a whole cup of sugar, but I've done half a cup of sugar because, as you know, I'm not trying to add too much. And then we're just going to mix this together. So my assistant is mixing the butter and sugar. We're going to do it as long as we can because we're not using eggs. The butter and sugar is done, as you can see, looking beautiful, beautiful. And now I'm just going to add everything. We're going to add our lovely fruit. If we had smell-o-vision, you'd be like, woohoo! The smell-o-vision, it smells, it looks tasty. Some mixed spice, about a teaspoon, yeah? So I do this all the time, so I can guess kind of how much a teaspoon is. And then some cinnamon, a little bit of ginger, not too much, don't go crazy. I had already grated the rind of an orange and a lemon, so I'm going to add some orange rind and some lemon. I've got 1 cup of almond flour, and then I'm going to do another cup of coconut flour. So this is gluten-free, guys. Did I say? I forgot to tell you, it's gluten-free. Then I'm going to grate maybe another half a teaspoon of nutmeg. When I grate a nutmeg, I feel like my mum. Because my mum used to grate a nutmeg for Guinness punch. She used to grate in a nutmeg. For carrot juice, she used to grate in a nutmeg. My mum used to sing in a high voice. Oh, Jesus. A teaspoon of baking powder. 2 teaspoons. And of course vanilla. So this should be rich in flavour. You know, like when you bite into it, you just like got flavour and flavour and flavour. So again, a nice generous teaspoon of vanilla. Now because there's no egg, you need things that's going to hold the cake together. So I'm going to use half a cup of vegan soya yogurt. Again, this is just to kind of make the mixture hold together. Oh, I tell you what I'm missing, the browning. This is what makes it black cake, yeah, because it makes it dark and rich. So we need the browning in this cake to make it really nice. Right, the browning. 2 tablespoons of browning. This is what's going to give it the colour. I'm going to mix it by hand, guys. It's going to be lovely. Let me show you. I'm going to add about a couple of tablespoons of flaxseed. Really healthy. Alright, so that's done. And now I have, as you can see, I have lined this tin. Goes in the oven. So guys, I'm going to put this in the oven about 175 for about 45 minutes. In about 30 minutes, keep checking it. If the top is getting burnt and it isn't cooked in the middle, then put some more greaseproof paper on top just so that it will cook inside. So guys, thank you for watching my Christmas special, and as you can see, my gluten-free Christmas black cake is looking lovely. Now of course you can put icing sugar on there, but I'm not. I just sprinkled some icing. It's actually soaking through, but it smells, if you were here It smells so lovely. I can smell the nutmeg and cinnamon. I can even smell the cherry wine in there as well. If you've got people that are gluten intolerant, try out my beautiful vegan black cake. So guys, I will probably be back tomorrow with another recipe. See you real soon for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl. I'm your girl.